everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my Pinch Me unboxing. Now, I have been using Pinch Me since pretty much the day I started YouTube. That's how I got started, with showing people how to get things for free, and I loved Pinch Me. Over the years, they have changed a little bit. I don't qualify for as much as what I used to, but I'm also not 100% active on the page. As long as you keep your profile updated every week, you guys can qualify for new things. But they've changed their site so much that you can do other things to qualify. But I'm still happy with getting free things. But what they do is every single Tuesday, or one Tuesday every month, they have Pinch Me Tuesday. So what you guys do is you sign in at a specific time and see what you guys qualify for. And some of these items do go out quickly, but what you do is you just sign up for it, and then they send it to you, and then they want you to give you a review. Now, that you got to keep up with that, like review everything that you get, and then they'll send you guys more things. I do have a link below. I don't get anything out of it, but the company this time asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing. Now, I know the bigger people usually get these kind of boxes, but you guys would either get like an envelope or a smaller box. You may even qualify for a big box. It just depends on what you guys get, but you get free samples to try. And I've actually bought stuff, you know, from sampling things out. Like one time I think I got something like from Slim Fast, and I'm like, oh, this is so good. I ended up buying like boxes and boxes of it. They also sometimes send you coupons for full-size items also, so that is awesome. But let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I got. But you guys just go to pinchme.com. Now, one thing I am going to tell you guys is you will get junk mail from them. Send it to a different email. That's not your normal email. I have a special email where I just get stuff that I sign up for it, but then I always remember to go on my account on Tuesdays and sign up for things. So let's just dig in and see what we got. So here it says, welcome. We are so thrilled for you to join our exclusive Pinch Me Influencer Club. As a founding member, you'll be one of the first to access an exclusive free products promotion, blah, blah, blah. So I do all this. I've been using Pinch Me forever, so I'm excited to share with you guys what I got in the box. So here we got Temporary Clairol Root Touch Up. This is just a sample that they give you. We've gotten this before from couponing, but what they do is they have 4 different colors, and then they kind of give you like these little pads, and you just kind of darken it, and then you just touch up your roots. Like my husband's like, you're starting to get gray hairs, and I'm like, yeah. So this is something, if you guys want to try that, that's kind of cool, just to try out. So there's that. The next item we got is Ester C. It's vitamin C, so that's something to do for your immune system. This is actually pretty good, especially when you're sick. I'm not an orange juice person, but you know, it's supposed to help you out. But yeah, we got a whole packet, and it's supposed to help you for 24 hours for your immune system. So if you're sick, definitely do something like that. This is super cute. I got Mitchell et Augustine two cookie cookies. So I got cookie squares baked in France. Now this is dark chocolate with a pinch of sea salt. I think that is so cute. It's like a little small little cookie. I am not a dark chocolate fan, but I know my husband will gobble this right up. But it's just a tiny little cookie. I mean, if you guys see the palm of my hand, that is super cool. Here we got a HelloFresh for $50 off your 2 boxes. I actually have a better deal where you guys can get $40 off your first box, where you can get your first box for 20 bucks. I say go for that, but we're just going to put that in the garbage. Here is I don't know if this is a small, okay, this is a sample of the Lumify eye thing. Now this is for redness in your eyes and everything. I've heard so much about this stuff, and it is kind of expensive. So you get a bottle about that size. If you guys, you know, can look, you get a full, like a little sample of the Lumify eye solution. Here we got Aqua For Augment body spray. Immediately smooths and relieves dry, rough skin all day. This is kind of cool. It's like a little spray. I think that is so cool. This is great. My feet have been like kind of dry right now with the summer weather and all that stuff. But this is super cute. I've never seen this before, but it does say it's new. And it's in a cute little spray bottle. So I'm excited about that. Oh, they gave me more of those cookies. Look at that. So, yeah. So we got another dark chocolate one. And then here we got a milk chocolate and melty caramel. Oh my god, you guys. Those look awesome. I am so excited to try those. Here we got a Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense. Now this is sunscreen. It's SPF 30. That's funny. It expired in May, and it's June already. That's awesome. Expired. Yeah, expired. So it expires May 2019, and I just got it. It's already June, but that's okay. I'll still probably put it in my purse so I can have it, just in case I ever forgot to bring suntan lotion. I know it won't expire right away, but hey, still using that. Here we got a little sample of a blister care thing. Now this is Compeed. I've gotten this before. This is for like your heels, especially when you wear high heels and your feet are hurting like crazy. You got these, it's 2 medium cushions for like your heel, so you guys can put that on. I think this is even a full size, to tell you guys the truth, because it has a UPC code on it. This might be a full size that you guys can actually buy at the store. I don't want to open it, but yes. And then I think there's one item left in here. There's tons of frilly things. Frilly things. This is the Native deodorant. Now I've heard a lot of good things about this. This is actually, I don't know if it's organic or not, but I know I've seen a lot of people really into the Native deodorant. This is coconut and vanilla, but these are really expensive. I saw these for like 10, 15 bucks for a thing of deodorant, but they're really good for you. So wanted to share with you guys on that. So that was everything that I got in my box. Now, depending on when you guys watch this, you may get some of these items or you may not. Everybody gets different stuff. Usually you don't get, sometimes in the past I've gotten this much, and sometimes in the past I've gotten one item. One thing is, if you guys don't always qualify for the items that if you don't get anything, they send you magazine subscriptions. I have probably 7 or 8 magazine subscriptions that I have not paid one dime for, because I'm always not qualifying for Pinch Me stuff. So they send me a magazine subscription. So definitely sign up for that if you guys want to do that. That is awesome, because that's how I like it. I even get People magazine, which I love. So other than that, that is everything that I got in my Pinch Me box. Definitely check it out if you guys are interested. You know, you can get some free stuff to sample, and I absolutely love it. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for another Pinch Me unboxing. See you guys later. Bye-bye.